Hey everyone, this is the Paulie Detmers channel, and I thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm gonna use a barbecue grill that I fell in love with it the first time I bought it. Yes, I bought the barbecue grill 2 times. Sadly, I had to sell it when I left Michigan. And when I got here, I bought me another one. So yeah, that is right. We're gonna use the FEASTO, I call it the 2.0 barbecue grill in the backyard, cooking some goodies to nourish my protein needs. So let me show you what's going on.
You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Right here, I just kind of like butterflied some chicken breasts, and I put some Blanco on there, both sides. It's gonna be okay. Sometimes I'll kind of like press down the chicken. I don't use a tenderizer, I just use the hand. But yeah, I'm not doing that today. It's just gonna be kind of a thick butterfly chicken breast cooked. And I also have some chicken thighs that I've started in the oven, but I'll finish those on the grill. These breasts, I'm gonna start them on the grill and finish them in the oven. That's just how I'm doing things right now. Let's take a look at the FEASTO. Here it is. I got some lump charcoal in there. That's what that cowboy, whatever. What is that? No, it's, yeah, cowboy Duraflame. I got this scraper in there just to let it get more air. As you can see, it's floating about 700 degrees with the lid open. It is a warm one. I'm gonna get the big hat, and I'm gonna get the sunglasses on when I bring that chicken out. Ooh, that handle is hot. Yes, I have the FEASTO on top of the Expert Grill, and all these spiders are looking for a way to save their lives because they're trying to get off this hot thing. But I'm gonna throw it down with the cut side down. This is not gonna take a long time. Yeah, I know that rub's probably gonna burn off a little bit, but I don't care. It's not gonna change the protein level. I gotta get back in the house and wash the nasty hand. I'm sure it's got some color now. Like I said, I'm not gonna cook these all the way out here. I'm just doing this to get some color on them. It's kind of like the lazy way to do things. If you don't want to spend the whole day, or you don't want to spend a lot of time in here, out here, toying around with the grill when it's well over 90 degrees, I'm pretty sure right now. So we're gonna give it a little flipperoo. Someone somewhere is playing some loud music on their car. It's good to have the FEASTO back in action, and I really love this grill. But I need either a wood or a metal table to mount this thing on, because I don't want to put on them plastic tables that we have. We might melt it or burn it, but for right now, this Expert Grill is doing the job. As long as I don't put too much weight on that shelf up there, it's not going to flip over. And I've done that before, not on top of here, but if you put too much weight up there, it will tip the grill over. It's common sense, right? That's why I'm telling you, right? Yeah. You can see that rub just kind of burned down there. It's going to be okay. Not getting no golden color right now, but getting a little bit of a burnt color, aren't we? I'm okay with it. Now on my other channel, the Daily Detmers, that's where I plan to do most of my live videos in the future. Who knows? I might do some here on the Pauly Detmers channel, but the Pauly Detmers channel is all about cooking, and that's what we're doing right now. All right, so I'm going to take these off the grill. Got some darkness there. I'm okay with that. This is basically how I've been eating every day. Of all this chicken, I probably eat half of what you see here on a daily basis. And a couple cans of tuna fish and a can of mackerel. Take these thighs out. I get them upside down, face down, or skin down. Did I say face down? And we'll just set these in here as is. I did not put anything on this side. That's the skin side. Telling you folks, it's hot out there. We're gonna do that. But I'm not gonna leave it alone for too long. See, it's sticking. Put the skin side back up. Actually, don't toy around with the bird too much, Detmers. It's my Feasto, and I'll do what I want. I'm gonna close the lid here. I did touch the side of the Feasto with my thumb. Can you see the spot? You notice I slowly opened that lid for the same reason I don't want to put anything too heavy up here. Actually, what I'm going to do is put these up here. Maybe that'll flip it over. Don't want that to happen either. Yeah, it's cloudy. Beautiful clouds. I did not order anything yesterday, and I was kind of thinking, man, I might regret that. But we had a good downpour for about 40 minutes earlier today, so I'm covered. The FEASTO BBQ Grill, featuring the cheap expert grill from Walmart. Lid is included. Oh, yeah. Nice color. Yeah, the FEASTO is a champion. Really good barbecue grill. Did that winter cookout in the back of the F-150 back in Michigan. What a memorable time. These silicone non-slip handles are good, but they do get warm. That looks nice. That fire is hot. Maybe I'll thaw out some ground beef. And this thing will still be hot to make some burgers. Okay. Do I have the color I want? I think I will now. Yeah, I'm gonna throw them on the sheet pan, and these will go back in the oven too. Looking good. Cooking or hot? pulled this out of the oven. This piece is done. All the rest need to go back in for a little bit. Of course, it's going to be the small piece, but we're going to weigh it so I can find out exactly how much protein I'm getting, how many calories. It's only 122 grams. For Americans, that would be 4.3 ounces. That's a standard portion of chicken, but I'm gonna dig in one of them right after. So now all I do is come here to my little log and I just write chicks burst, 122 grams. You can see, well, you can't really tell, but each item, that's what the protein is for it. That's the calories, that's the totals of protein, and that's the totals of calories. So it's only, what, 3 o'clock, I guess? I already got 102 grams of protein. I'm gonna get 180 to 200 by the end of the day. All right, I have a keto hamburger bun, which is at 7 grams of protein, and it's 50 calories. And we're gonna put some cheese on it, which is at 3 grams of protein and 50 calories. I'm gonna put some mustard on there. There is no calories in mustard. And I'm also gonna add some sliced tomato. Yeah, so I'll make sure to log in the American cheese. Time to eat this sandwich that would put Wendy's out of business, Culver's out of business, and even Chick-fil-A.